generation, that age range, how do you get males out of the basement of their parents' home and to be productive people? And what's really going on with that?
Got those two different brains that one is on fire and has all this external stimulus, internal stimulus, and it almost is just like bubbling over, ready to explode. Like you've shaken this bottle up, didn't let it calm down, and it's just ready to burst. And then when you tie in the technology, unfortunately, in every aspect now is contributing to that stimulation. We don't even need to go, we can even go down the whole food route. We can go down every route possible. You can even go down EMF routes and all these different things that are constantly
Which we will.
Yeah, because they're constantly stimulating the brain. And some brains just don't have that outlet anymore because we've limited activity at school. So you don't have much external energy these kids can get out sometimes in a school setting. Everything's really structured. And for the ADHD mind, the worst thing you can do in that is just to have them in a chair all day long, gym class only for 45 minutes. And there's nothing wrong with some gym classes teaching a lecture. That should happen, nutrition, diet, stuff like that. But then if they've eliminated recess for sixth grade on up, you have these young adults, pubescent, prepubescent children that don't have too much of an outlet for energy. And as you get into high school and you're having all these conflicting things coming in your body, and then gym class becomes optional, and not everybody needs to be an athlete, but everybody needs to move their body. And it becomes an optional thing. They're just sitting there brewing underneath like a pressure cooker.